smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
The start of day one. Always look back. A very different landscape and very different plants. Looks like we're on cycle route number 1, the Atlantic coast route, because the sea is over there. Coming up to the sea, a big surfing area. You have to put your signs somewhere. Wow, look at that red cliff. Beautiful. And then swinging round. The remains of a Muslim fishing village. Boardwalk to a viewing point.
Very soft.
Very, very soft looking. Another boardwalk at the end of the cape to see hopefully quite a nice view. Just waiting for their owners. We're just coming inland. I think we're going down a valley. But on one side, a whole load of hills, some nasty weather. And on the other side, more hills. Getting to the highest place on the walk today, the Portuguese equivalent of a trig point. And we've arrived. Lovely GR symbol. So, with the trig point behind me, there's a 360. The beach we walk beside, a couple of headlands we've been over. There we go. Go left. Just use my flora incognita. And these are native to Australia. And we're in Portugal. Go figure. It's like walking through a jungle on a manicured path. I'm not sure how many of these are native to Portugal. Just look at these trees. The instruction said this section might be a little overgrown. Through the valley. Very wet as it's been raining earlier. Come across some cork. Standing your ground. Good boy. Through the middle of a tiny village where apparently you can ring Mel in England and he'll sell it to you. Glad to know we're not going to meet any motorbikes or cars. Coming into our accommodation. And this is our room, our little cottage for the night. Accommodation in a tiny Portuguese village. Look at that.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.